Get around the city with the Rattan LM 750 electric bike. You will love the folding frame that lets you bring the bike and park it anywhere. The Rattan LM 750 bike has specs seen in sportier bikes, such as the beefy 48-volt 750-watt motor and a large battery for excellent range and intelligent cruise control, which is rare among electric bikes. It has a top speed of 32 miles per hour and can go smoothly over potholes and ride on rough terrain with ease. The bike also comes with a patented intelligent pedal assist that makes it 83% more efficient and will take you up to 80 miles, so you can quickly go to many spots in the city without worrying about the battery. The Rattan LM 750 fat tire electric bike features a throttle and a 3-level pedal assist. The bike also comes with a 7-speed Shimano derailleur to control and ride it like an ordinary bike. This bike is designed for daily mobility and can be easily driven by anyone.
Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.